the importance of the Bowdoin Alumni Network is essential. I think I would not have gotten the job had it not been for alums who went on eBay and said, we want some Bowdoin people in this office. The first thing I did was call a past member of Bella Mafia who was working at Deloitte and consulting, and it's so nice knowing that there are people at Bowdoin, friends that you've made, who are now in the working world, kind of asking them, how did you get there? What did you do? And she, even though I didn't end up going into consulting, was an invaluable resource as I went on, having a person who's a friend, but also a person who's an alum to guide you through the process. And I think from that day forth, I called about 2 to 3 alums every day. I literally just went through the CPC alumni network and just looked at the industries, looked at the banks, just had kind of a set of 3 questions. How did you get where you are? What do you like best about your job? What do you see yourself doing in the future? What is your advice that you give to me as a 21-year-old who's not quite sure what she wants to do with her life going forth into this job market? I had originally thought about applying to law school, and I was talking to people, you know, what is it like being a lawyer? And then I realized that my parents are both lawyers, and I had never even asked them what they thought about being lawyers or what it was like going to law school. I realized that my parents' best friends worked in an investment bank, were business people, had been in consulting, and, you know, over Christmas break just asking, what do you do and how did you get there? Not necessarily with the goal of getting anything out, but just hearing people's stories and seeing their paths, I think, is really important to understand what opportunities are available.